Good morning, loves. I want to say welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I want to say thank you for coming here and taking the time to watch this video, and definitely think about subscribing. And I would love to hear from you, so definitely leave comments below. And if you're my old subbies, thank you for returning. And today we're going to just be going ahead and doing a general cleaning of the house. As you can see, the kitchen does need a little bit more tidying than the family room, so I'll just be doing a little extra pickup in there. But I wanted to give you guys a little weekly motivation. So sit back, let's go ahead and get into this video. And once again, thank you for coming here.
Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here, I gotta get it through my head, that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town, this feeling has me stepping down. But I don't wanna have to break too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
So I'd like you guys' opinions. I'm looking to possibly get a rug. Well, the rug that I saw that I want is on back order for this table, to go onto this table. But do you think that space should have a rug under there, or I should just leave it as is? Let me know what you think. Please leave the comments below. So guys, I still haven't gotten around to taking down my old clock on the left there. The clock right there in front of you is actually a new piece that we purchased when we went to Kirkland's. So that definitely was going to be in my haul, but you guys see it now. So yeah, that's a piece that I purchased from Kirkland's, and it actually was on sale. I think we got it for about 80 bucks. And it was usually retailed about, I think, 130, 140. So I thought that wasn't bad at all. And I think it adds a lot of character to that wall because it was just a bare wall. And I think it needed something big there to make it stand out a little bit.
Still want me, and we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me because it's you and me now. I thought about staying home, but I have been down that road. I hope you can forgive me, and it's you and me now. You and me now. You and me now. You and me now.
Hey guys, although it's not showing here, I did mop and sweep the house. Unfortunately, my battery died, and sometimes with me moving around so much, I'm not really paying attention, you know, how low my battery goes. So I'll try to be more vigilant of that. And then you'll also see me spray some Dream pillow spray and the scent white jasmine on the pillows and on the blinds. And that's something that I picked up from Home Goods a while ago. And I sprayed that, and I also had my candles going, and I had the house smelling so good. So you guys go ahead and finish watching, you know, the rest of this video to the end. And again, if you're new, definitely please subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. And thanks again for watching.
Say you think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm